Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to restore your default icons on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in run. Best match should come back with run. Go ahead and left click on that. Now I'm going to have a path in the description of the video. It starts with %sign user profile. Go ahead and copy that and then paste it into this run field and then select OK. Now that we are in here, you want to go ahead and locate the icon cache. If you don't see it, you have to click on the view button, select show, and then select hidden items. Now if you scroll down, there should be an icon cache here. You want to go ahead and just right click on it and delete, or you can just tap the delete key on your keyboard, whichever you prefer, and you should restart your computer at this point. And that should hopefully be about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.